Okay, so we're going camping. And there's Bernadette.
Camping.
And we're going camping at Huntington. And this is the vlog. So yeah, it's a vlog for my YouTube. So
I'm
this
Bernadette
is-
Amador. Follow me on Twitter at LaBurns.
Official J with 2
No. So
Oh, with 2 Z's at the end.
So let's see how this trip goes. See you later. Okay, so we just left the first rest stop and are going to the campground right now. How's that water?
Right here.
And there's Jazz. And so we're back on the road and this should be fun. Talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? We just got to the campsite and it is very fresh and nice, and we're putting up canopies right now. It's Nadia.
Team girls, boys suck. They drool because we rule.
So we are currently exploring by our campsite, and
Just kidding.
there's no bear. But yeah, so I hope we don't die or get
I
lost.
hope you die.
My friends are so nice. So wish us luck, and we'll speak to you
Thanks,
later.
vlog, for our luck. A little sweetness in my life. Yes. Won't you come and lay it down on me? Down on me, baby, 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 no. Baby, baby, oh, thought you'd always be mine, mine. Oh, you when it was my first She got me going crazy. She was so amazing. My heart is breaking. She has me saying, baby, baby, oh, like baby, 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 no. Good night, vlog.
Good night,
Oh, just one.
guys.
We're brown.
No, we're not.
We're packed like sardines, like it's a thing to do.
We are. There's so many.
Sorry, we're brown.
And there's somebody right there.
Oh, you're choking me with the
Jack?
flashlight.
Well, we will see vlog in
ready?
the morning.
doing?
Good morning.
Hi, good
Day. Is this day 1 or day 2?
day 2, because our trip was up here.
So
We're
first
suffering
full
from each
day.
other's morning breath because it's claustrophobic in here.
There's Nadia.
Oh, well, I just felt my morning breath. That was not nice. It was a kick in the face.
Well, we're gonna get up and eat
So
breakfast and brush our teeth and stuff. And we'll talk to you on the hike. And let's see Cassie fall. Okay guys, so that's the birthday girl right there in the middle. And we're gonna go hiking soon. Any words for YouTube?
Let's get it.
Alrighty then. Oh, and this is Brandy.
It's Weezy, bitch.
Hello. And then there's
Hi,
That was
I'm
like-
Marissa's friend, Cassie.
currently on a huge rock, and it is so pretty out here. Amazingly pretty. There's everybody up there. What's up, guys? It is currently cold at the boat we're at, but look at that view.
I know, right?
Look at this view. So here are the friends that aren't swimming, and it's very. How do you guys feel about this weather?
I feel like it's honestly one of the best things in the world.
World. I agree. Yeah. So there's a. We're just currently laying in the tent.
We're really tired.
Hello.
We're worn out from today and we're waiting for dinner to be made.
Yummy.
So yeah.
Where's Pila?
So tired. This is what I look like without the makeup.
Rice pilaf and lasagna. Oh, that sounds so good.
Lasagna. Well, obviously she's having some food cravings.
Mm.
We all are.
Say to you.
feliz. A las muchachas bonitas se las cantamos a ti. Despierta, ven y despierta, mira que ya amaneció.
Rumor has it she don't want your love anymore. Rumor has it do. Rumor has it do.
Take you to every party, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. And it hurts. I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. It's too late to try and apologize for my mistakes. I just want you to know.
That's what it was.
I'll buy you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. I'll give you all.
It's cold.
Morning. 2. Killing myself. Tell the vlog what we're doing.
Singing. Went back to